Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a scenario in Make in 2026. If you no longer need an automation and want to remove it from your account, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Make website, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the scenario you want to delete. Next, click on the scenario to open it, or access the scenario menu from the dashboard by clicking the three dots next to its name. This will display additional management options. Now, before deleting the scenario, make sure you no longer need it. Deleting a scenario permanently removes its modules, settings, and automation configuration, so consider creating a copy or exporting important information if necessary. Next, select the Delete option from the menu. A confirmation message will appear asking you to verify your decision. Carefully read the confirmation prompt, then click Delete or Confirm to permanently remove the scenario from your account. Once confirmed, the scenario can no longer run automatically. After the deletion is complete, return to your dashboard and verify that the scenario no longer appears in your list of automations. If you only want to stop the automation temporarily, consider turning the scenario off instead of deleting it, so you can use it again later. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete a scenario and Make step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.